Hello students, I'm Raja Chauhan from Lakshya International School Maheshwar. Today I'm gonna teach you chapter number 3 whole numbers of class 6th mathematics. In the previous video we have completed 3.1 and 3.2 exercise. Now we will learn 3.2 and 3.4 exercise. We will complete this exercise. Now we will see the concepts. So what are they? Okay, let us see multiplication of 3 into 5 on number line. So we have to see the multiplication of 3 into 5 on number line. You can see 1, 2, 3. So these are the three interval we have taken. We have made one number line which is started from 0 to so on. Now first we will start from 0 to 3. Now how many times 3 is multiplied by 5 times? Okay, so we have to take 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 times with 3 intervals. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So 3 into 5 equals to 15. Okay, this one. Now on the basis of this we will see the multiplication of whole numbers in exercise. Now division of whole numbers, for in this one formula is given here, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This formula we will use in our exercise, so learn this formula. Now we will solve exercise number 3.2. Find the product of the following numbers by suitable arrangement. Okay, so our first question is 818 into 2 into 50. Okay, so first we will solve 818 into 2. So when you will multiply this, you will get 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 2, then 3 plus 1. Okay, 8 2s are 16, 636. We have solved this one. Okay, now we will solve into 50. So 1 6 3 1 6 3 6 into 50. 5 6 are 30, 0 3. 5 3 are 15. 15 plus 3, that is 18. Carry 1. 5 6 are 30, then 31. Carry 3. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So you can see 81800. This is our answer of first question. Now in the same manner you have to solve 40 into 621, and then whatever the answer is you have to multiply by 25. 125 into 3 to 7, first you have to multiply this one, and then whatever the answer is you have to multiply by 8. So you have to multiply them. Now question number 2, find the value of the following. First, 6389 multiply 9 plus 6389. Okay, so we know the rule of BODMAS, BODMAS. So according to that, first we will solve division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. So here it is given multiplication or addition. Okay, in all the question multiplication and addition is given. So now first we will solve the multiplication. Okay, so our first question is 6389 multiply by 9. 9 9s are 81, 8 carry. 9 9s are 72. 72 plus 8, that is 80. Now 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8, that is 35. Carry 3. Now 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 3, 57. 57501. 5 7 5 0 1. So now we have to do addition 6 3 8 9. Okay, now we will solve this. 0 1 9 here. Okay, 5 3 8 6 13. Okay, so our answer is 63890. Okay, here it is. So here you have to first you have to multiply the numbers and then you have to add. Now in second question you multiply 7 into 8 and 717 into 2, and whatever the answer is you have to add them. Okay, same here. Now here you have to multiply 99 into 1832 and then you have to add 1832 in the answer. Now question number 3, find the following products, multiply the smallest 5 digit number by largest 2 digit number. So first we will see smallest 5 digit number will be 10000. This is the smallest 5 digit number. Largest 2 digit number is 99. Okay, because 99 plus 1 that will be 100, which is the 3 digit number. So largest 2 digit number will be 99. Now you have to just multiply both these two numbers, then you will get your answer, that is 990000. Okay, now in the same manner question number 2, multiply the smallest 6 digit number and smallest 3 digit number. So smallest 6 digit number is this and 3 digit number is 100. So you have to multiply both the numbers, then you will get your answer. Question number 4, using the property of distribution of multiplication over addition, solve the following. Here 859 into 102, you have to multiply these numbers, then you will get your answers. Okay, this is very simple question. Question number 5, the money collected by a school for a picnic was 550 per student. If 1208 students went for the picnic, how much money was collected? Okay, so how many monies are there for picnic? That is 550. How many total number of student? 1208. Now total money. So total money will be calculated money collected per student multiplied total number of student. So 1208, these are student, and 550 are money which are decided. So you have to just multiply them. So when you will multiply, you will get 664400. This is your answer. Question number 6, the cost of a chair is rupees 600 and the cost of table is 5240. If Mrs. Rao purchased a table and 6 chair, how much did she spend in all? Okay, so cost of one chair is 600 and cost of table is 5260. So money spent in purchasing 6 chairs. 6 chairs, the answer will be 600 into 6. So when you will multiply, you will get 600, 600, 6 6 are 36, 3600. Now 3600 plus 5200, that will be the total money which Mrs. Rao spent. So when you will add both of them, you will get 8840. Question number 7, Madhuban Housing Society has 7 buildings with 24 flats each and 20 buildings with 51 flats each. How many flats are there in the city? Okay, first we will write given 7 buildings with 24 flats, 20 buildings with 51 flats. So number of flats in 7 building with 24 flats. So we have to multiply 24 into 7. You will get 168. Now 20 building into with 51 flats. So 20 into 51, or you can multiply 51 into 20. That will be easy. So when you will multiply, you will get 1020. Now we have to calculate total. So total number of flats will be 168 plus 1020. So our answer will be 1188 flats. In the same manner, like question number 7, you have to solve question number 8. Now question number 9, find the values of the following. Okay, here you have to first solve the brackets. Okay, so here in first question the bracket is on 420 divided by 42. Okay, so you can easily see 10 times it will be divided. Okay, so 768 plus 10, so your answer will be 778. Okay, like this you have to solve. Now in the next question you have to first you have to subtract them. 2157 minus 2147. See, 2157 minus 2147. When you will subtract them, you will get 10. Okay, so 1110 divide by 10, because here it is divide, so 0 cancel 0, so 1 will be the answer. So like this, first you have to solve the bracket and then you have to add them or divide them, whatever it is given in the question. Question number 10, perform the following divisions and check the answers by division relationship. Okay, so division relationship, I already told you to learn the formula in our previous concept, that is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This one the formula. Okay, so first we will divide 4568 divided by 2. So when you will divide this, you 20, this is our quotient, 1 to 8, this will be our remainder, and 2 to 2, this will be our divisor. Okay, what is now we have to just check the division relationship. So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is the divisor? That is 2 to 2 multiply quotient, that is 20, plus remainder, that is 128. So when you will solve this, you will get 4568 per question. Okay, so we have to check like this. Question number 11, find the numbers which when divided by 59 gives the quotient 212 and remainder 32. Okay, so we have to find here dividend. Okay, now divisor is given. What is divisor? That is 59. Now quotient is given, that is 2 and 2. Remainder is given 32. Now our formula is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend equal to division is 59, quotient is 212 plus 32. Now when you will solve this one, you will get 12540 as answer. Question number 12, find the numbers which when divided by 205 gives the quotient 63 and remainder 111. Okay, here you have to find dividend in the same which have done in previous question number 11. Same process you have to do in question number 12. Rupees 55315 was to be divided among 299 people. How much would each person get? Okay, here you have to just divide 55315 divide 299. So when you will divide this, you will get 185. This will be your answer. Now in the same manner you have to solve question number 14. You just have to divide 50437 by 1591. You will get your answer. Question number 15, Mr. Verma distributed 1 lakh among his 5 friends and asked each of them to distribute their share among 10 needy children each. How much money did each needy child get? Okay, so first you can see 5 friends distributing among 10 children. So total number of children will be 50. Now how much money we have? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh divided by 50. So 2000 money will be equally distributed by each child. Okay, this will be our answer. In the same manner you have to solve question number 16. Now our next concept is patterns in number. Okay, So you know what is line? This one is line. Okay, so we see that we can write 2 as 1 dot 2 dot. Okay, so here you have to represent the line with the given numbers, with the help of given numbers. 3, so 3 dot is there, 6 dot is there. Okay, now triangle, for triangle also we have represent here as a dot. Okay, for rectangle dot. Okay, square also. On the basis of this we will solve our exercise on pattern on this one also. Now pattern, observing pattern in numbers. See here you can see 1 into 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Second is 12 into 8 plus 2 equals to 98. Now 1, here you can see 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Now next will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is same 8. So 8. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5. Here 6. 9 9 8 9 8 7 9 8 7 6 9 8 7 6 5. So here will be 9 8 7 6 4. Now in the next exercise we will see their questions. Exercise number 3.3. Arrange the following numbers in the given elementary shapes if possible. Okay, so first number is 4. So with the 4 we cannot represent triangle. Okay, we cannot represent a triangle, we cannot represent a rectangle, we only represent a square. Here you can see first one 4. For 4 only we can make a square only, we can't make triangle, because you can see we can make the triangle with the help of 3 number. Okay, now 6, we can make a rectangle and a triangle, we cannot make a square. Here you can see how we can make, you have to make this in your copy. Now number 10, with the help of number 10 we can make rectangle and triangle. With 16 we square and rectangle. With 36 we can make triangle also, square also and rectangle also. Now question number 2, observe the pattern and complete the series. Okay, first one is 4 5 6 7, then 5 6 6 8 4 5 6 5 8. Here you can see the tan is subtracting in each numbers. Here you can see 4 5 6 7 8 minus 4 5 6 6 8. The tan is subtracting in each. Here also minus 10. So 7 6 5 4 3 8. Other numbers are same. Okay, so like this you have to write the next 3 numbers or 4 numbers. In next 20229 20230. Here it is plus 1. 30 31 32 33 34. 20231 20232 20233 20234. Like this. Now here is subtracting, minus 5 you have to do. Okay, now here 32146 331 means plus in pattern or series. 89314 89214 means 100 is subtracting. Okay, so like this you have to solve these questions. Now question number 3rd, observe the pattern and write the next number. Here you can see 1 1 1 triple 1 4 1. Okay, 5 1. Now you have to write 6 1 and then 7 1. Now 1 1 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 and 7 1 you have to write. Now 1 1 2 1 2 3 2 2 3 4 3 2 1. So 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Here you have to increase one number and then you have to repeat the numbers. Okay, next see question number 2. 9 9 8 9 8 7 9 8 7 6 9 8 7 6 5 9 8 7 6 4 9 8 7 6 5 4 3. Now 9 is same. Okay, 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Now you can, here you have to see, you have to just increase the number of 8. So like this you have to check the pattern which we are using to solve our question, and you have to just write the two next step. I already given the answer, so you can easily solve this question. Okay, so our chapter number 3 is completed. Now in next video we will start chapter number 4. Till that you have to practice these questions in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.